Now I'm going to show you the smallest stock market price tracker I have made, and this runs on Wi-Fi connection. This push button switches between companies. You click again and again. It will keep switching between companies. Let's get started. This is the breadboard we are using. This is the ESP3 2C3 Super Mini board. This is old SSD 1306. We are also using one push button. The ESP32 gets placed on here. The old display now will be placed just above the USB 32 on the breadboard. The push button is placed as well. Now, if I connect the power, you can see it turns on and says connecting to Wi-Fi. After it gets connected, it shows the real-time data of current stock price of different companies. The display might flicker due to the frame rate of my camera, but you can see in the dark. The status LED is also blinking on the board. It means the information is updating every 2 seconds. You will find the code and wiring diagram in the description. Thank you very much.